Adverbs, articles, conjunctions, prepositions, tenses, word forms, subject-verb agreement. All right, we will be covering each of these in turn, okay, in today's edition of the lesson. Now, let's first move on to adverbs. Right, what are adverbs? Do you recall? Now, it is a word or even a short phrase that modifies the meaning of an adjective, a verb, or yet another adverb. All right, it can express manner, place, time, or degree. So we have adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, and so on. Okay. Now, if you recall, you think, oh, adverbs are those words, with ly ending. Well, yes, some of them do. Okay, they have ly, ending. So we have a word like cautiously, beautifully, gently, roughly, and so on. These are the words with the ly endings. But not every adverb has an ly ending behind. Okay, it really depends on which category of adverbs it belongs to. Okay. Alright, now let's see. When you have an adverb of manner, you're telling someone, okay, you're giving more idea about how that action is being carried out. For example, sing. Okay, she can sing really sweetly. Okay, that's the ly ending. Or, well, you can dance really gracefully. Okay, that is again another word with a ly ending. Alright, or cross the road cautiously. Okay, so these are adverbs of manner. Okay, now we also have like adverbs of place. Now, what are adverbs of place? Basically telling you about the location in which the action happened. So adverbs of place might be, for example, here. Alright, come here now. Alright, over there. So there is also an adverb, but of place. Okay, or where's my book? I'm sure that it must be around somewhere. Okay, this is also an adverb of place. As you can see, here, there, around, these are adverbs of place, but no ly ending. You can't say herely or therely or aroundly, right? So there's no necessity that all adverbs must have an ly ending. Okay, so you can see that here, no ly endings. Okay, now of course we have adverbs of time as well. Now, what are adverbs of time? Now, adverbs of time, of course, as the word indicates, time. All right. So, for example, yesterday, I went to the library yesterday. Okay, or even like I'm going there today. Okay, or now. Okay, or later. Now, these are all adverbs of time because they indicate timing. Okay, and of course adverbs of degree. What do we mean by the word degree? Degree means like more or less, right? So when we talk about adverbs of degree, we are talking about words that express the intensity of something, such as extremely, or it's an extremely hot day today. Okay, or very, they work very hard for this project. Okay, so or even like quite, I'm quite late today. I almost missed the bus. All right. So these are all adverbs of degree because they indicate like intensity of something. Okay. Now, so with that in mind, now let's see how we can apply, and let's do a very simple recapitulation. Now, do you recall in earlier lessons, right? In lessons 4, 7, and 11, we had some errors to do with adverbs. You will gradually be more comfortable. Reduce the water content of the skin's outer layer, making it drier and most fragile. Okay, now these two examples appeared in lesson 4. All right, I'm not sure whether you can recall, but you can actually refer back to the earlier lessons. But let's do a very, very simple recap now. What do you think are the errors? Do you recall which error you identified? Adverbs, okay? So you will gradually be more comfortable. That sounds odd, does it not? Now it should be you will gradually, all right, be more comfortable, okay? Gradually. Now, let's look at a couple of new sentences. Are you able to spot the mistake in each of the following sentences? One error per sentence. Let's look at the first. I came back as I had forgotten something. I hastily explained. All right, whereabouts is the error here? I came back as I had forgotten something. I hastily explained. Now, Do you see that the word hasty is wrong? Okay, because it should be modifying or telling us more about the verb explained, right? So what's the manner of your explaining? You hastily, okay, very quickly explained. So this is an adverb of manner here, hastily explained, all right? And let's look at the second sentence. This is a new discovered medical condition for which there is currently no cure. This is a new discovered medical condition for which there is currently no cure. Okay, now whereabouts is the error here? Now, do you see that the word new, okay, is wrong? All right, now it modifies the adjective, okay, telling us more about this medical condition, something that is discovered but newly discovered. All right, this is a newly discovered medical condition for which there is currently no cure. Okay, good. Now let's take a little pause here before we come back for more editing errors.